Have you recently applied for a mortgage or a car and then all of a sudden gotten 100 phone calls from various lenders across the country? Well, why does this happen and what can you do to prevent it from happening to you and from your information being sold? I'm Amber.garofalo and this is your Money Monday tip. So, what this is called a triggered lead. So Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion all sell trigger leads to solicitors. So basically, if you apply for a mortgage, they can sell that information that you, John Smith, with any reported information that you have to your credit bureau, like your phone number, address, things like that, is shopping for a mortgage. Now, the company that buys that might call you, they might mail you, they might bug you to the nth degree. So what do you do if you don't want this to happen to you, to be solicited for financing or insurance products? Then there's three things that you can do really to prevent this from happening on your end. Number one is you can register with the Do Not Call registry. Now, I think at one point I had registered with this list and I think it's expired. So I'm going to redo this myself. The Do Not Call, National Do Not Call registry. You put in your name, your home phone number, your cell phone number, and it takes about 30 days to go into effect. And then I think it's in effect for 5 years. You can also, number two, reduce the number of mailings that you're getting from lenders and insurance providers, solicitors, by registering for your types of mailings that you are allowing to be sent to your household via dmachoice.org. So this is the Data and Marketing Association, and so instead of getting everything, there's certain lists that you can be taken off of, I think, by registering there. Number three, you can sign out to opt out. So going to optoutprescreen.com under the Fair Credit and Reporting Act allows you to opt out of the credit bureaus from soliciting, selling your information to other vendors. So this is truly what you want to do if you want to prevent that from happening in the day and age where we have, all sorts of information being shared about us digitally. The less information that has to transfer being sold on us is probably good. So I would definitely go out there and do an opt-out pre-screen. So take these three steps to protect you and your family from getting solicited, getting bugged, and ultimately having your information sold on the open market, which is not good. So take these three steps and you'll be glad you did.